Hi everyone, this is Chance from Rich Piece. As long as your workers have healthy hands and brains, punching production of aircrafts and car seats in fact can be completed in just a few minutes through automation. If you don't believe me, look. This kind of automatic punching machine has 6 punching knives per head. The operating system adopted is independently developed by Rich Piece. The speed can reach 1,200 holes per minute. The base plate has low cost and simple operation and is not easy to break. The intensity, size, and depth of each punch are exactly the same and with high accuracy. The scraps generated in the process are also automatically sucked away by the machine head. Safety and environmental protection. The key point is convenient operation. Just click sometimes on the screen, leave the rest to the machine. If you want the holes of different shapes, we can also customize the different punching knives for you. Now, let's see its quality. Clean and beautiful, all the holes are in a neat order. Follow us for higher production efficiency.